Welcome to our new video. In today's fast-paced world, stress has become a common companion. But fear not, as we have created this guided meditation to provide you with the perfect antidote. In just 10 minutes, you'll embark on a journey of tranquility and find yourself embraced by a deep sense of calm. So, find a comfortable spot, close your eyes, and let us guide you towards blissful serenity. As the hustle and bustle of life fades away, immerse yourself in the beauty of nature that surrounds you. Picture yourself in a lush, peaceful forest, where sunlight gently filters through the canopy, creating a dance of shadows on the ground. Take a moment to breathe in the fresh air and feel the serenity wash over you. With each breath, let go of any tension or worries that may be weighing you down. Allow the gentle rhythm of your breath to guide you deeper into a state of relaxation. Feel the tension leaving your body, melting away like ice under the warm sun. As you continue to surrender to the present moment, imagine yourself on a pristine beach, with soft waves gently caressing the shore. Feel the warm sand beneath your feet, grounding you and connecting you to the earth's soothing energy. The sound of the waves becomes your mantra, leading you deeper into a state of tranquility. As you listen to their rhythm, your mind begins to quiet, and your thoughts gently fade away. In this moment of stillness, allow yourself to fully embrace the present. Let go of the past and release any worries about the future. This is your time for self-care and rejuvenation. Now, visualize yourself in a serene garden, filled with vibrant flowers and the gentle whispers of a gentle breeze. As you explore this tranquil oasis, notice the colors, scents, and textures that surround you. Engage your senses fully and become one with the beauty of this moment. Take this opportunity to delve deeper into your inner self. Reflect on the power of gratitude and love. Allow yourself to embrace these positive emotions, letting them flow through every cell of your being. Feel the warmth radiating from within, bringing you a sense of peace and contentment. Thank you for joining us in this transformative journey towards instant stress relief. Remember, whenever life feels overwhelming, you have the power to tap into your inner peace and find solace within. Embrace the practice of guided meditation as a tool for self-care and emotional well-being. If you found this meditation helpful, we encourage you to incorporate it into your daily routine. By dedicating just 10 minutes each day to reconnecting with yourself, you can experience long-lasting benefits, such as reduced stress, increased focus, and improved overall well-being. Share this video with friends and loved ones who could benefit from a moment of blissful relaxation. Together, let's spread the message of inner peace and help create a world where serenity and harmony prevail.